Welcome to the sailor ship. Today we are going to discuss cargo tanker numericals. The numerical which we are going to discuss today is blended type of numericals. Which is recently this question is coming in July 2023. So we'll discuss this type of numericals. Generally they are MMD repeating the same numericals. I see 2-3 times this repeated the same question because the correction which was previous is the same correction this time also in the question. So we'll solve this two questions so that you can easily understand this type of numericals. So question in July 23, find the final ullage using UTI gauge when 3200 metric ton of gas oil, density 0.8860 meter cube in vacuum, is blended with 2300 meter cubic of diesel oil at 430. So this is 43.0. This is one correction in this question. Degrees density 0.8693 meter cube in vacuum in a box shaped tank 28.5 meters into 18 meters into 15 meter. On board a ship of length between perpendicular is 196.4 meter. The trim is 1.2 meter by head and listed 3 degree to port. Alleged port for this tank is located 5 meter forward of the aft bulkhead, 4.7 meter to starboard of the center line, and 112 centimeters above the top of the tank. So this is centimeter given in the centimeter, so we have to convert in meters. Find the temperature on completion of blending was found to be 200 degrees centigrade. So this is 20 degrees centigrade, 20.0. So these two corrections, one is 43 degree and one is 20 degree. So let's see how we'll solve this type of numerical in the examination halls. So what is given in the question? First we have to show our good presentation so that we can score 25 marks full. Okay, so cargo 1 given. So given cargo 1 3200 metric ton of gas oil, density was given 0.8860 tons per meter cube in vacuum. Okay, cargo 2 was 2300 meter cube. So this is metric ton, this is meter cube. We have to convert and we have to bring all in the GOV, gross observed volume, in meter cubes. Okay, so cargo 2 is given 2300 meter cube of diesel oil at 43 temperature. meter cube of diesel oil at 43 degree temperatures, density 0.8693 tons per meter cube, and box shaped tank dimension was given 28.5 meter length into 18 meter breadth into 15 meter height. LBP, length between perpendicular, is given 196.4 meters. Trim, initial trim 1.2 meter by head. Listed 3 degree to port. Ullage location. So 5.8 meter forward of the after bulkhead, 4.7 meter to starboard of the center line, and 112 cm above the top of the tank. So 112 we have to convert this in meter. So 1.12 meters. and blending temperature to be 20 degrees centigrade. So if you write this type, you will easily to understand what is given in the question, what we need to do. And this for presentation, this MMD one page is already finished, so the presentation is good. That means you are understanding the question and you are now to solve. So let's see how to proceed this question. So cargo 1, first we have to solve cargo 1 and then cargo 2. So cargo 1 is 3000 metric ton of gas oil, 0.8860. If you remember, when we are calculating, we are going like this: gross absorbed volume, weight correction factor, then multiply GOV into VCF, we get net absorbed volume, and then weight reduction factor. When we multiply by net absorbed volume and weight reduction factor, we get the mass. So we are going this way. Now we have already mass 3200, so we have to go like this way. Okay, so when we are coming from top to down, we are multiplying. So when we are going from mass to gross absorbed volume, we have to divide. Okay, so first we have to calculate weight reduction factor. So weight reduction factor is equal to 0.8860 minus 0.0011. This fixed, 0011 is fixed. So we get 0.8849. Now net absorbed volume at 15 degree temperature is equal to quantity of oil divided by weight reduction factor. So 3200 divided by 0.8849. So we get the value 3616.228 meter cube. Okay, now GOV is equal to net absorbed volume to weight reduction factor at 20 degrees centigrade. This is on 15 degrees centigrade. Now we have to convert on 20 degree. So 3616.228 divided by 0.9962. So first of all, we are given, so we have to convert on 15 degree, and after 15 degree we have to change on 20 degree. So GOV at 20 degrees centigrade we get 3629.949 meter cube. Okay, this is first. Now cargo, second cargo we have to solve. So this is given in meter cube of diesel oil at 43 degrees centigrade. So volume correction factor at 20 degrees centigrade at 15 degrees centigrade is equal to 0.9961. So GOV is equal to 2300 divided by 0.9961 is equal to 2309.005 meter cube. Okay, so this is second. Now both oil are blended. So total volume is equal to 1 and 2 we have to add. So 3629.949 meter cube. First cargo 1 and cargo 2 we get 2309.005 meter cube. We have to add and we get 5938.954 meter cube. Okay, this is total volume. Now we have to calculate sounding. So sounding is equal to volume of oil, you can say gross absorbed volume, divided by length into breadth of the tank. So sounding is equal to 5938.954 divided by 28.5 into 18, length and breadth of the tank, so that we can get height 11.577 meters. Now this is sounding, so we need corrected ullage. corrected ullage. So height of the tank is 15 meter plus 112 cm is above the top of the tank. So we have to convert in meters. So 1.12 is equal to 16.12 minus this one 11.577 sounding. So we get corrected ullage 4.543 meters. Corrected ullage, that means UT. Okay, this is understand. Then we have to make the diagram since the vessel is down by head. So this is A, B, C, D, the tank. This is E, F, G, H. This is list. This is 112 equal to 1.12 meters. This is length 28.5. If you say this is like this tank, so this is breadth is equal to 18 meters, and if you say this is height is 15 meters plus ullage location 112 is equal to 115 plus 11.12 is equal to 16.12. This height, total height. Okay, ullage, this is ullage port location, so it is from the aft bulkhead to 5.8 meters ahead. And if you see the center line, consider this is center line, so it is 4.7 meter from the center line. Okay, diagram is clear. Okay, now we have the corrected ullage. UT is 4.543. Now what is formula for radar gauge? Okay, what is the formula for radar gauge? So UT is equal to UO is observed ullage. We need to find this one into formula sec tan inverse trim by LBP plus minus L by 2 minus A trim by LBP plus minus B tan theta. So if you have any basic, if you want to learn anything basic, so my first video tanker numericals, you can go and you can watch. Okay, so this is formula. There is 3 basic formula. If you learn 3 basic, all the tanker numericals is solved. UT we get 4.543 is equal to UO. We need to observe ullage. We have to find out, put the value everything in the formula. So tan inverse down by head 1.2 196.4 LBP length between perpendicular. Now the down by head and the ullage location is aft side, so the different side, so minus 28.5 divided by 2 minus location of ullage from the aft bulkhead 5.8 meters. Okay, trim 1.2 divided by 196.4 minus 4.7 from the center line and 3 degree to starboard, so opposite, so that's why it's minus. If the same side, then it will be plus. Now we have to solve this equation. 4.543 is equal to UO into sec 0.35007 minus 0.0516 minus 0.2463. So 4.543 is equal to UO into minus 0.2979. So UO 4.543, this will go other side, so it will become plus 0.2979. So UO is equal to 4.841 meters. So observe UO is equal to observe ullage. Observe ullage was 4.841 meter. So this is your answer. Now the similar question I will solve one more so that you will understand. Okay, the second question is a box shaped tank 35 meter 24.3 and 50 meter. So this is length, breadth and height had 83 meter of ballast. Okay, this is first. On arrival at the loading port on ship LBP is 219. This tank was then located with, okay, the cargo, first cargo and second cargo, similar type of numerical. Extra here at 83 meter of ballast. So 5000 meter cube of oil at 27 degrees centigrade, density at 15 degrees centigrade, in vacuum 0.8193 tons per meter cube. Second cargo is 5000 meter ton of oil, density at 15 degrees centigrade, in vacuum 0.8861 tons per meter cube. Calculate the final ullage by UTI gauge, temperature 12 degrees centigrade, trim 0. Your trim is 0. List 2.5 degree to port. The ullage port is located 6 meter forward of the bulkhead, 4 meter to port of the center line, and 88 centimeter above the top of the tank. If you see this question and the previous question, the same, only they add the blended, and in extra is here 83 meter of ballast, and see everything question is same. Okay, let's see how to solve this type of numericals. So first of all, for presentation, what is given in the question, you have to write that, so that your one page of MMD fill, and this good impression, the first impression is the, if you your first 3-4 question is very good presentation, they will directly given the marks to the whatever you write, just write. Okay, so first cargo, especially part 1 is very special, so before going to exam, you have 2 numericals and the 1 theory, so be perfect in good writings, so that your impression is good. After that you will write, make sure how to clear MMD cargo with my watch video. Okay, so first cargo is GOV at 27 degrees centigrade is 5000 meter cube. So VCF at 27 degrees centigrade we have to find out from the ASTM table 954. So net observed volume, first we have to convert into 15 degree, then from 15 degrees we have to convert anywhere, any temperature. Okay, so GOV into VCF, it is given in meter cube, so we have to solve like this, GOV into VCF, so we get net observed volume, so net observed volume, then weight reduction factor, so net observed volume into weight reduction factor, multiply, we get the mass. So first cargo we have to solve this. The second is mass already given, so we have to find this. So here when we are going from mass to GOV, we have to divide, when we go directly and multiply. Okay, so GOV into VCF is equal to 5000 into 0.9897, we get 4948.5 meter cube. Now we have to calculate VCF at 12 degrees centigrade from ASTM tables, so we get 1.0026. Interpolate from the value, okay, GOV at 12 degrees centigrade, so net observed volume at 15 degrees centigrade divide by VCF at 12 degrees centigrade is equal to 4948.5 divided by 1.0026, so we get gross observed volume at 12 degrees centigrade of first cargo is 4935.7 meter cube. Okay, now we have to solve second cargo. So here mass is given, so quantity of oil 5000 metric ton, weight reduction factor 0.867, 0.0011, this is universal, so we get 0.8856 tons per meter cube. Now net observed volume at 15 degree temperature is equal to mass divided by weight reduction factor, so 5000 divided by 0.8856, so we get 5645.9 meter cube. So VCF at 12 degree temperature we have to require, ASTM tables we get 1.0022. Now observed volume at 12 degree centigrade is So net observed volume at 15 degrees centigrade divided by VCF at 12 degrees centigrade. So 5645 decimal 9 divided by 1.0022. Now total, this is 5633.5 meter cube this second. Now add total volume equal to first cargo 4935.7 meter cube, second cargo 5633.5 meter cube, and we have the ballast in the question initial 83 meter cube. Now we have to add all three, we get 10652.2 meter cube. Now the same, we have the volume, total volume, we can find out the soundings. So total volume divided by length into breadth of the tanks. So 10652.2 divided by 35 into 24.3. So we get 12.525 meter of soundings. Now we have to find out corrected ullage. So height of the tank is now height of the tank 13 plus 88 centimeters. So we have to convert in meters. So 0.88 minus sounding 12.525. So we get 3.355 meters of corrected ullage. Corrected ullage is called UT. Now ullage, put in formula. Ullage corrected for tape and list because no trim. So UT is equal to UO into sec into 10 inverse trim by LBP plus minus B 10 theta. So UT we calculate 3.355 is equal to UO into sec 10 inverse, trim is 0, LBP is 219 plus same side, so 4 degree 410 2.5. Now here 3.355 is equal to UO plus 0.175. Now this will go other side, so 3.355 minus 0.175. So observe ullage is 3.180 meters. So this is our answer. So this is type of blending numericals in the tankers cargo Chief Mate Phase 1. Hope you understand these two numericals, and best of luck for your exams. Any doubt, write me in comment box. See you on the next video.